Hello everyone, so this is a tutorial video for the controlling fan using Google Assistant, and I have done some changes in this. So here you can see two rods where our pneumatic cylinder will get connected, and when it turns on like this, stop the fan and then it will start the fan. So we are using this solenoid for that, and this solenoid will be controlled with this microcontroller. We are using Node MCU ESP32. So this will be connected to your Wi-Fi and it will read data from the Firebase database to control this fan. This is the relay which will connect to this one. So there are some setups we have to do on Firebase to communicate with Google Assistant from your phone to this controller. So there are three parts. So first is our mobile phone, in which the Google Assistants will detect your command and save the data on the Firebase, and from the Firebase our microcontroller will read the data and control the fan. So this is the tutorial. I'll add the link in the description. So this is the old tutorial I have followed, but it is good enough to get things working. Code is kinda out of date, so I have updated the code and I'll add the updated code in the description also. This is the guy Shiva Siddharth is the guy which I followed. It's e-classroom, so it was very helpful, so you should watch this first and then you can proceed with the code. Hey Google, turn off the fan.
The ceiling fan off.